Hi everyone, today we install replacing Android screen for a BMW 320. As you can see, the screen is much bigger than the original screen. It works with the original iDrive of the car. Right now we are on iDrive, so you still can use obviously the knob to change the features. And if you want to go back to the aftermarket mode, you just hold the menu button for long, then it switch to aftermarket mode. The menu of the aftermarket mode can be like the same menu. As you can see, it's like a new BMW Evo menu, and it's working with the original iDrive. Or you can change it to the classic BMW menu as well. Now, if you want to go back to the original iDrive, you can press on original car and it goes back to the original iDrive of the car. Again, we go back to the aftermarket mode. We can go to navigation. That's where we are located, on Conrad Crescent 160. Again, we can go back to the original menu, and then right now we're gonna test the backup camera. So as soon as we go to reverse, the screen change to reverse. If the car comes with the original backup sensor, still it shows the function. We go back to drive, it goes back to the menu. Also, we do have Android apps. You can choose apps and it goes to the apps, and it's smooth. You can go to any page, you can download your favorite apps, you can use Google Maps, you can use Waze, you can use your favorite apps so easy. Again, also we located two USB drives in the glove box. They can play video and they can play music as well. If there is any video on those USB drives, it's gonna be full screen video. Or if it's songs, you can go and choose songs and you can play your favorite song. Usually these BMW 3 Series, they don't come with Bluetooth music, but by installing this screen, you get the option of Bluetooth music as well. We can add dash cam to it. Also, it reads the OBD of the car, so it shows how much gas left in the tank, or if the door is open or closed. Handbrake and the temperature. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can go to our website 4x4shop.ca. Thank you.